Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching Windows Universe. In this video, we are going to learn how to fix yellow border around the screen in Windows 11. But before that, let's talk why a yellow border might appear around your screen. A common reason why this happens is if a screen recording app like OBS Studio or snipping tool is capturing your screen. So check and close if a screenshot app is running. To do so, click on the tiny arrow on the taskbar and then close any such apps. You need to change some settings if you don't want to see yellow border around your screen while recording. To do so, click on Start menu and open Settings. Now, select Privacy and Security in the left pane. Then scroll down to the end of the page in right pane. Then select the Screenshot Border option. Here, enable the toggle next to Screenshot Border Setting Access. After that, enable the toggle next to Let Apps Turn Off the Screenshot Border. Finally, enable the toggle for the app that you are using to capture the screen. If you continue to see yellow border even after doing this all, switch to Accessibility tab. Then select the Narrator option. Here, turn off the toggle next to it. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel.